Good morning. Today we are going to see how to customize that procurement purchase orders using Sandbox. Okay. So the requirement is like I don't want to create a PO without purchase requisition. We can achieve it by using roles, customized roles, or we can use sandboxes. Okay. So for that, uh, first of all, I will go to enable the sandbox. You have to go to edit pages, then activate the sandbox. Uh, then we already created EBS techniques. So enter that sandbox. Then go to tools, structures. Then go to procurement. In that we have purchase order. In that we have purchase order. Then we go to panel tabs. Then go to tasks. In that go to orders. In that we have create order. Click on that create order. We have EL expression. Okay. Then we have to use this. Okay. Validate it. Okay. Save and close. Then go to Vision. Go to purchase orders. Then now it's gone. Okay. So we can achieve this functionality by using either by using roles or by using sandboxes. Okay. So previously in a previous video, I have shown how to disable this functionality, create orders by using customized roles. Now I have showed how to do it by sandboxes. So if you have any doubts on this, how to restrict creating PO without requisition, please drop a message on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Thank you.